So I've tanked my bike, and now we're going towards one of the lakes where we're gonna make a stop. I'll fly my drone over there because it doesn't seem to be raining yet. So I'll fly my drone over there, and then we'll move on to the next stop, and then so on. So now I'm going towards the lake. If I find the name of that lake, I will tell you, but as far as I remember, I don't remember. There you go, the Lake District there. Starts to be mountainy, hilly, if you will. Very nice area, nice road so far. I could choose a different road, but I thought I already been off-roading, so I'd rather just take an easier road towards that lake. Oh yeah, look over there. It's nice views right there. I'll fly my drone and then maybe there's gonna be better views. It's nice views. So yeah, once I get there, just enjoy the views, and you'll get some footage from the drone as well, I suppose. And then maybe I will separate that into a few videos, because I'll be running around for a few hours around the Lake District, so this will be probably a few videos, just not to miss my exit. I could probably go this way, probably. It says no, 8 miles more to me. I could go this way as well, probably. But yeah, and I have more hills in front of me. So yeah, listen to some music and enjoy the views. So unfortunately, yeah, we have a bus in front of us, so that's unfortunate. But yeah, the views are great already. That's my kind of first stop. I did one stop before that to fly my drone because there was loads of mountains and stuff. So I did some footage of that. So you probably saw it already. And yeah, so this is my first stop over here, around here somewhere. I'm not that far away from it. Yeah, a few minutes. So I'll probably finish the video here, kind of thing, and then, you know, do another part. Obviously I'm gonna continue riding. It's not like I'm gonna go home now and return another day or something. No, I'm gonna continue riding, but obviously you're gonna get a different part, so not to make those videos too long, I suppose. And yeah, so you get some nice views. Maybe I'll find my drone over here. I still have one full battery anyway, so one battery is like 2 bars and out of 4, and the other one is full, so I can still fly it a few times, no problem. So from here we're gonna go to another destination, which is like a tower bridge or something like that, like house on bridge or something. I don't know, it's like a tourist attraction kind of thing. So I think I will go that way and then you know, do some pictures over there and then continue on through the Lake District kind of thing. Yeah, it's just going forward at this stage to my destination, next to the lake. We are next to the lake. The lake is on my right over there. So we're going to like a viewing point and then, you know, get some pictures, maybe fly my drone from that lake, and yeah, continue on, basically move on to the next kind of destination. So I hope you enjoyed. I might include the drone footage from this lake here in this video at the end, or I might include it in the next one. I don't know, we'll see, because I won't be doing any drone footage on the next destination, I think, because it's more like a town, I think. So I won't be doing any drone footage over there, I think. So I might include that in the next video. We'll see about that. Once I edit it, it's like I will get a better idea, kind of thing. But yeah, thanks for watching, and hopefully you enjoyed. I wish the weather was better than it is today. It's cold. But at the same time, you know, it's at least not raining till like 2 o'clock, so I have time. I have 3.5 hours left before I have to return home. Yep. Yeah, about 3 hours left, not 3.5. So 3 hours left before I have to return home. So yeah, I will see you in my next one, and blast out.